How to specify numba jitclass when the class's attribute contains another class instance. I'm trying to use numba to boost the Python performance of scipy.integrate.odeint. To this end, I have to use @nb.jit_no_python equals true for the function defining the ode system. However, this function has to take another Python class instance as an argument in my program. I had to jit the class also with @nb.jitclass spec with appropriate specs. This worked fine, until I found a serious issue when the specs of the class includes another type of class instance as its method. My code is following. In summary, so here class A is my ode solver. To compile the method ode system with numba, it must not a class method. So I made another function outside of the class _ode system. Unfortunately, however, my ode system has to have a class instance as an argument. Hence I used @jitclass to compile the class instance argument properly. I again encountered another problem, where this class dummy also takes another type of class instance as one of its attribute. I have no idea how to set spec for this class. I tried the type for dummy1 with nb.typeofHigh but it didn't work. Please help me. Thanks in advance.
You can use .class_type.instance_type in your spec definition for holding an instance of another type. See example in the numba source tree here.